Here is the Toyota RAV4. Now this child door lock feature is only on the rear doors, not the front door. So we'll start with the rear left door. Let's go ahead and open it up. And right over there is a small switch. All you have to do is just push it down to activate the feature. And now that the feature is activated, I can still open it from outside as normal. However, on the inside, when I close the door, lock, unlock, doesn't matter. I cannot open the door. So how am I going to get out? I'm just going to slide onto the other side, open that door and get out because we haven't activated the feature over here yet. Now let's just go ahead and open the left side door from outside. Push the switch back up to deactivate the feature, and now it's deactivated. I can still open it from outside, and when I get on the inside, lock I cannot open, unlock I can open, and that's good. Let's just repeat the process for the right side door. Open the door, same switch, same process. Just push the switch down to activate the feature. I can still open it from outside. And on the inside though, once I close the door, lock, unlock, doesn't matter. I cannot open the door. So how am I gonna get out? You already know it. I'm just gonna slide onto the other side, open that door and get out because we haven't activated the feature there yet. So if you do have a child in the back seat, make sure you activate this feature separately for both the doors. You don't want the child to just get out of the car seat, slide to the other side, open the other door and get out and cause any issues. Now let's just open the right side door from outside, push the switch back up to deactivate it, and I can open it from outside now. On the inside, when I close the door, lock I cannot open, unlock I can open, and that is good. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.